our partnership strategy, we're setting our sights beyond our immediate organisational boundaries. We want to actively consider the role we can play in promoting wider community resilience by working collaboratively with partners to reduce health inequalities and enhance health and care services. A big focus for us this year will be integrated care partnerships. So that's groups of providers, whether that's NHS organisations such as ourselves, UHM and MPFT, general practice, local authorities and voluntary sector providers, working together to consider how best we can integrate services across the health and care economy. By focusing on the population of North Staffordshire, we can collectively bring care closer to home and improve outcomes for our citizens, patients and service users. Within our partnership strategy, we also want to be very clear that as an organisation, we think we can achieve more by working collaboratively with partners than we would do by simply working in isolation. In particular, we want to strengthen our relationships with primary care, specifically general practice, and the voluntary sector. So a key aspect of this will be the integration of the partnering strategy with our approach to stakeholder engagement, and a particular focus on active listening. So that means we don't simply listen for the sake of it. We will understand what we're being told, we will respond to it, and we'll be seen to do so. I also want to talk about sustainability, and specifically environmental sustainability. This has become an increasing area of focus for the NHS nationally. Included in the NHS long-term plan published in 2019 were a small number of big targets around sustainability, reducing carbon, improving air quality and the eradication of single-use plastics. In fact, our Trust Board in January 2020 signed an NHS pledge that would reduce our use of single-use plastics over the next couple of years. More recently, the NHS has now published a net carbon zero commitment and has appointed its first Chief Sustainability Officer. As we move forward, we will be publishing an SDMP, Sustainability Development Management Plan, and that will be a focal point for all our activity to drive forwards our sustainability efforts. We will also be launching a sustainability group that will have exec level chairmanship through myself and will act to coordinate the delivery of the Sustainable Delivery Management Plan. To help us frame all this work, we will be adopting an anchor institution approach, and that's a phrase that you may hear more and more over the coming years. In essence, it's a phrase which reflects the fact that we are a provider of mental health services. That is our core purpose and will continue to be so. But in so doing, we recruit staff from our local community. We consume goods and services from our local businesses, and our local schools, colleges and universities provide the skills for our workforce of the future. By working together in this way, we can both improve our services but also enhance the social and economic prosperity of our local community.